Okay.
That's where he picked it from.
He picked it from.
Yes, he returned it.
He's returning it.
Will be picking. It will be.
Okay. He's gonna pick another one.
Yeah. that
Okay. So that what he's using there, I can see what he's using there. Interesting. Okay. He places it in that cup.
And that will be analyzed now.
Okay. And he pushes it. That's interesting. That's interesting. Okay, so it picks it. So automatically it will have to be picking it each. So how many minutes? It takes about 80 minutes to do one.
No,
it depends.
because this one is a monitor.
Okay.
It's high. It's really the monitoring is it's really it takes half day to monitor
Okay.
this 8 monitor samples.
I
But
see.
for the analysis, it's